In this video, I'll teach you how to highlight the active row in Excel, like I am doing right now. Okay, so let's begin. The steps are fairly simple. The first step is that you have to make sure that your Excel workbook is saved as a macro-enabled workbook, XLSM. And if you don't know how to do that, you have to go to File, you have to go to Options, you have to go to Customize ribbon, and make sure that the developer box over here is checked. Once that's done, click on OK. And the next step is you have to right-click on the tab. So this tab here, in this case, is Sheet 1. I'll right-click, and then we have to select View Code, and we have to left-click on it, as so. This page appears. In this page, you have to enter a VBA code, which is currently displayed on the screen and also available in the description box of this video. I'm going to go ahead and just copy and paste the code in this section over here. And if you want more information about how this code works, detailed information is available in the description box. So simply what this code does is it turns the row red upon clicking on a cell in that row once. The second time we click on a cell in that row, it will turn yellow, and the third time it will turn green, and then it will restart. So that's how the process works. And if you want other color codings, other codes you can use are also available in the description box. In this case, we're going to go with red, yellow, and green, but you can select other colors as well. So after you paste this in this section, you click on Save, and you X out. Now let's put this to test. Let's click on any cell. There we go. So first time we clicked on it, it turned red. Let's click on another cell in the same row. So it has to be a different cell. Since we've already clicked on this particular cell, we can't click on it again. So I'm going to click on the cell next to it. There we go. It turned yellow. And let's click on a different cell in the same row. It turned green. First click, it's red. Second click, it's yellow. Third click, it's green. There we go. Red. Second click yellow, third click green. And this will work on basically all the cells within this worksheet over here. And as you can see, this is a very convenient and very neat trick that helps us in things like tracking the status of tasks or color coding things just by clicking on them, as opposed to going and formatting each cell one by one. It saves a lot of time. It's a very neat trick, and it helps manage tasks and also become more efficient in color coding. And that's how it's done. I hope you found this video useful and got some value out of it. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed already, make sure to subscribe and also turn on notifications so you won't miss out on future videos. See you soon.